Okay, what do we have today?
In a world full of copycats and clones, it's rare to be the only anything. But Molex has the only selected USCAR 050 interface in the form of their unsealed Mini50 connector system. The Mini50 system provides up to 50% space savings over traditional USCAR 0.64mm connectors, minimizing the PCB footprint and enabling greater design flexibility. Headers and receptacles are available in single, dual, and triple row configurations with up to 38 positions, and multiple polarization options to ensure proper assembly. The CTXSO terminals feature a wire grip design for wire that accommodates 0.13, 0.22, and 0.35mm squared wire, maintaining retention strength while allowing for smaller, lighter, and lower cost wires to be used. The connectors have an independent secondary lock to secure the terminal in the housing, and optional connector position assurance latches are available to prevent accidental unmating.